Chateau Beach Resort Kenting is a luxury beachfront hotel located in Kenting, Taiwan. It offers a tranquil escape with beautiful ocean views and modern amenities. The resort features a range of facilities, including outdoor pools, restaurants, and a spa. It has a total of 295 guest rooms, providing a comfortable and relaxing stay for visitors looking to enjoy the scenic beauty of Kenting National Park and the nearby coastline. Provence Standard Double Room with Mountain View 2051. Virtual visit. Here is my objective assessment. Positive points: nicely decorated room, coffee and tea making facilities, fridge in room, complimentary bottles of water, Japanese toilet, safe in room, nice big pools, very nice spa jacuzzi area with multiple types of jets, convenient location for the Kenting night market, 5 to 10 minute walk. There are activities in the evening like singing or dancing, but I spent most of my evenings at the night market. When I first arrived at the hotel, I headed for the wrong building. The staff then drove me to the right building, which was nice. Negative points: no phone to TV pairing. The pools are closed every day between 12 and 1 p.m. for cleaning. The rooms facing the pool have sun lounges, but for the customers with mountain-facing rooms there was very little seating options near the pools. Plenty of charging sockets. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay to the end to see the hotel rating. Complimentary plastic flip-flops. My favorite feature: the Japanese toilet. Antipodes is a luxury toiletries brand from New Zealand. I just wanted to show you quickly the operation of the blind that separates the bathroom from the room. It is a bit fiddly with the beady cord, but it seems to work okay. This is what it looks like when it is closed. Here is the view out of the window. Of course you are looking out onto a parking lot and there is a main road behind it, but the palm trees make it look quite nice. What do you think? Here are the pools. There are 3 big pools and a smaller one to the side, as well as the spa jacuzzi area. The 3 big pools are not very deep. As I mentioned before, there is hardly anywhere to sit around the pools. Here is a fourth pool that is slightly deeper than the others. I used this one to swim. And here is the spa jacuzzi area. It is really nice. There's several types of jets for the back, the legs and the neck. Here is the hotel's private beach. They really seem to take care of it. I'd imagine they clean it regularly. The sand was nice and soft. This was October, so not the main tourist season. I had the beach pretty much all to myself. As I mentioned before, there weren't many sun lounges around the pool. This is the only area where they had sun. I didn't really understand why they let it go wild. Maybe Taiwanese people aren't keen on sitting in the sun. If you have an explanation, please write it in the comments. My rating, 4.3.